Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. It's me, Alibaba. Here I am again. Okay, what we're going to do now is I've got my keywords. Okay, I went to SEO tools. This one here. I typed in my keyword and then I hit export. I then went to my keyword tool here. I did exactly the same. I downloaded the least highest to the highest, okay, the top 100, and I just brought them into Excel like this, just so I can bring them up and compare the numbers here. Now, if you don't have Excel and you want to use Notepad, you can do exactly the same on Notepad. You know, you just lay them out in columns just so you can see the information in front of you. What I got here on the left hand side, this is the SEO results from the keywords. On the right hand side, this is the AdWords results for keywords, okay, and these are both for coffee. Now this one on the left, the SEO starts from highest to lowest, and the one on AdWords starts from lowest to highest. Now what I want to do is I need to organize this, okay. I need to start deleting out stuff and trying to work out what I want to do, okay. I'm just showing you the way to do it on the coffee, just to give you that a little bit easier for you, just so you can sort of see the numbers and start seeing which are the best to delete and not. I'm going to start with the SEO tools one, okay. I'm going to start by clicking on the left here, dragging down, and I'm going to take all of these, all these high ones. I'm going to hit delete, okay. I'm just going to keep coming through one by one the ones I don't want. Coffee facts, I might keep that one. Best coffee makers, coffee tables, I'm pretty much not going to be doing anything with that. Coffee pods, all I'm doing is holding down Control or Option on my Control or Command on my keyboard, and that's allowing me to select multiple rows. Unique coffee mugs, coffee maker, I don't want that, don't want that. Starbucks, definitely not. Coffee cup, coffee shop business plan, that could be quite fun, I'll leave that one. Single coffee makers, no. 8 o'clock coffee, basket coffee, gift basket, no. I'm going to delete all those. This is all I do. I'm coming through the ones that I don't want, and I'm trying to find the ones that I do want. The keywords that I like, I'm going to keep them, and then I can run them through again and compare them. Okay, so coffee grinder. See, most of these keywords here are really not what I'm looking for. Mr. Coffee, iced coffee recipes. That could be a fun one. Let's Starbucks coffee. Get rid of that one. Coffee shop. Too much coffee could be a good one. Coffee cake recipe could be a good one. Keurig coffee, too much coffee man. Coffee table, photo, coffee maker, coffee house, coffee bouquets. Let's get rid of those. It's a bit of a tedious job, but it's ground coffee. I'm going to get rid of all those. This is all you're doing, coming through. Now it's quite a tedious job, but it's well worth it. Do I see anything that I like in this list? I mean, so far I'm not really finding anything that maybe I would be able to write about or get articles on. Biscuit coffee cake, there must be something else in here. Coffee cake easy recipes. See, coffee cake recipes is coming up quite nice. We got this one up here. Where was it? Coffee cake recipes, 399, 498. You know, this is daily hits. You could probably get a lot of information about coffee cake recipes. What else we got here? How to make coffee, make an iced coffee. Oh, that's quite a good one. Can run that through. Don't want any of that. Don't want any of that. Best instant coffee. I'll keep that one. Fair trade. Best coffee cake recipes. Coffee shop. Fresh coffee. Okay, so I'm just deleting out the ones that I don't. Coffee addiction, there's a good one. I'm going to keep that one. Coffee addiction. Blue Mountain coffee, biscuit coffee cake, types of coffee beans. Okay, I'm going to leave those as they are over here for the time being. Okay, I've sort of homed in on the ones I don't want. Next I'm going to come over to this one and again see if I can take out some stuff that I don't actually need. Now as I scroll towards the bottom, you'll notice these really big ones at the bottom. I'm not taking those. I'm not even interested. I'm just going to look at the numbers here, and until I see good numbers, I'm just going to delete everything until that. 74,000. This is per month, remember. I'm going to keep coming up. Okay, let's get into about this area. I'm just going to delete everything to there. Now these numbers are more realistic of what I'm looking for. Buy coffee online, coffee for less, delete. Home coffee, delete. Best coffee beans, home coffee, superior coffee, coffee blends, Costa Rican, Arabican, gourmet coffee, coffee importers, could be alright, commercial coffee roaster, delete, Italian roast coffee, wholesale gourmet coffee, organic coffee wholesale, chopped coffee flavors. Actually, I'm going to keep that one. Okay, so this is what I've done. I've sort of narrowed it down a little bit to what I'm actually looking for. Now out of this list, because as I'm doing this in a tutorial, I'm actually rushing this, and normally I take my time with this, but as an example, what you would do now is, okay, let's say you found in here a couple of keywords that you really liked, and you'll understand in a bit that once you find that keywords or key phrase that you actually like, we'll then actually try to do a search for a domain name. But for instance, let's say coffee facts. Okay, coffee facts getting per day 1,140 on Google, 327 MSN. So let's say coffee facts. Let's say for instance I'm interested in having a website about the keyword coffee facts. What I would do then is I would come back to SEO book, and I'm going to stick that in there and see if I can get enough related topics to coffee facts with good demand keywords. Okay, so what have we got here? Coffee nutritional facts, fun facts about coffee. See, these are getting rather low. McDonald's coffee no way. Coffee facts in itself is quite high demand. Yeah, coffee nutritional facts, again, that would be a great subcategory. The problem I'm running into now is that I'm not going to have enough relevant keywords that I'm going to be able to add. These are all way too low. You know, facts on coffee shops, you might have thought before that facts on coffee shops might have been a high demand keyword. You can now see that 1 person, 4 people per day are actually looking for that. That is too low. It's not going to get you enough. You're not looking for something like that. So coffee facts is not really what I want. What about something a bit different? What about buy coffee online, coffee flavors? Let's try taking that keyword. Control C, Command C, coming into this tool again. This is all I'm doing. I'm bit by bit working out which keyword, which key phrase, looking at the numbers. Okay, Starbucks, coffee flavors, coffee bean flavors. Again, we're really starting to get into some low numbers here. This isn't really what is the best for me. So what I would do is I would keep these safe. Okay, I would save these. Once I have my words, I would save them, and then I would do the next on the other topics. Okay, so I would do it on stop smoking. I would look for some related keywords, some good quality keywords, and then I would run it through these SEO and Google AdWords again to actually home in on whether subcategories for it or related topics to it are getting a high enough demand that I would be able to write articles about them or take articles about them and still get enough traffic coming to those pages. Okay, like I showed you just a minute ago, that these traffic to these pages, like what are McDonald's coffee flavors, people aren't looking for it, and it would be a waste of time of me doing a page on it when people aren't looking for it. I can have more time, and I'd save a lot of time by putting my effort into a page where I'm getting better numbers. So that's what you need to do. You need to come in with your 3 keywords and try to home in on your keywords. Find your topic, find your number 1 topic, and if needs be, send me an email and I can have a look at your keywords and we can play with them and see what's best. That's it for this tutorial, guys and girls. Work through it. This is more rushed when I do on tutorials. I like to spend my time. I'm going to spend my time a bit more now on getting these 3 keywords so we can actually have a look at them and I can show you the final results of what I found. Take it easy, guys and girls. Catch you at the next One Stop Tutorials. Laters, everyone.